Access Tools has revolutionized the two-piece long reach tool with the patent Snap and Lock multi-piece long reach tool, the only tool on the market without threads. With simple yet effective snap-together technology, the Snap and Lock multi-piece system allows you to carry multiple tools in a much smaller space than ever before. With different styles of hooks, tips, loop tips, lighted tips, and even a magnetic tip, the Snap and Lock multi-piece tool system from Access Tools enables you to have every tool you may need right at your fingertips. Featuring the same store-and-go handle and protective coating that Access Tools is famous for, the Snap and Lock system is unlike any other on the market.